corner and I'm going to give you an idea to make some treats for Idul Fitri. And in this vlog, I am going to be making cookie. It's super easy and super delicious, and you can play around with your shapes and colors of the cookie. Let's bake! The ingredients you will be needing are, you need some baking powder, vanilla extract. This is optional, but it adds an extra boost of flavor. This is just the extra flour I got in case I need more. Granulated white sugar, and the last thing, the most important thing of a cookie, butter. The first step you are going to do is put your sugar in your butter and cream it for about 5 minutes. You may need a little bit more. Oopsies, kind of gone everywhere. Don't forget to scrape the sides every 1 minute because you don't want any of those sides that is unmixed. Oh, okay. That's decent. Aku akan masih cream butternya sampai halus dan paler color and the granules of the sugar will dissolve. So guys, when you know you are done creaming your butter and sugar, when it's like pale like this, after you're done creaming butter and sugar, kasih telur kamu sedikit-sedikit. Aku kasih telur putihnya dulu. Soalnya kalau kalian dump sekaligus, bakal separate butternya. Karena butter itu bisa absorb sedikit liquid dalam sedikit time. Going to add a little bit more. Make sure you scrape your bowl to make sure everything's well combined. And now finally, I'm going to add the egg yolk. Sekarang aku akan campurkan vanilanya and the baking powder. Just a little bit. Dan baking powdernya cuman a pinch doang. Oh ya, ini belum dibuka, aku lupa. Whoopsies. Okay, that's enough. That's more than a pinch. Let's mix it up again. Turn on the beater. Okay, so now guys, we are going to mix in the flour. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Not really, a bit like a few minutes, but who cares? This is so proud. This is a proud moment. Pouring flour is a proud moment, okay? Wait, I think I'm gonna mix it with a spoon first because I just don't want the spoon. Just when the flour is combined. Yeah, that's good. This is definitely not enough flour. I'm gonna get more flour, okay? Now just combine it with your hands to make a dough. You don't want to overwork your dough because it will become like really chewy and not fun to eat. So I'm just combining it until it like forms a big ball of dough. So guys, after this dough is well combined, I wrap this in cling film and I'm going to put this in the fridge about 30 to 40 minutes so it chills like this. Now you want to roll this to about 1/4 of an inch. You can use a ruler. I'm just gonna kind of like measure it with my fingers and like, yeah, I'm a basic baker, so yeah. Guys, it's already 1/4 of an inch, and now dip your cookie cutter. This is not really a cookie cutter, it's kind of for a muffin. Dip it in the flour so it doesn't, stick. Bakalan dip ini dulu sedikit lagi. And I am going to press it. Karena ini nggak terlalu sharp kayak cookie cutter, karena ya ini buat muffin. Jadi aku cut it. So guys, I'm just getting off the excess. Do not throw this dough out because you can roll that again and make more cookies. I'm just gonna reshape it because there's like these edges that are kind of crumbly. Okay, Just warning, I already washed my hands, okay? For the recommended amount, which is 20 seconds. Sekarang sudah di-reshape. There's a perfect banget that looks so delicious. But I can't eat it because probably I'm gonna get salmonella. Oh no, it ripped. Okay. So guys, make sure you give some space for your cookies because in case they spread, it won't like come to turn baked. Okay guys, like it. Ooh, that was exhausting. Ini sisa-sisa potongan yang tadi, dan aku akan cover this pakai plastic wrap lagi, dan aku akan masukin ke kulkas lagi buat kayak 10 menitan gitu. This is so cold even though I left there for like 10 minutes ish. Probably not 10 but still close. Is this corner of an inch? I don't know. Oh, look at these cookies. I'm so proud. And look at this dough. I'm so damn proud. Now they are all cut and shaped. Sekarang kita akan taruh di kulkas selama 10 menit. While the cookies are chilling, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So guys, it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to put this in the hot ribbon oven. I'm kind of itchy. Oh my god, this is so hot. Wait, I put it in the wrong angle. Ooh, that's so hot. Now we're gonna let this go for about 8 minutes. Look at these cookies. They look amazing. I just want to eat them, but I can't. Karena sekarang aku puasa. If you don't know what puasa is, you cannot drink or eat during the whole day. Not really the whole day. Probably like from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. These are already barely cooked. This is the hero one. Look at that. It's so even. This one is a little burnt, but who cares? Guys, that one browned so quickly. Okay, some of it is not cooked, but this one's so brown. This one's so pretty. This is probably the hero one. It's hot out. So now guys, we are going. So guys, sekarang kita akan bikin royal icing. Kalau kalian tidak tahu royal icing itu apa, royal icing itu thick frosting yang agak runny gitu dan bisa set jadi bisa perfect buat heart cookies. Semua bahan yang kalian butuhkan adalah gula bubuk, telur putih, gula pasir. Sekarang I'm going to boil water. And after you boil the water, you are going to add the granulated sugar to the egg whites. The reason you do this because you are going to put these egg whites in a double boiler, and if you just put them by themselves, it's going to turn like scrambled eggs. So I'm adding sugar to it, and the whisk that I put in my powdered sugar for no reason. Whoa, that boils so quickly. Make sure you're using a heat-safe bowl, like a metal bowl. Anything that's heat-safe or microwavable. You want to keep whisking it for about 1 to 2 minutes, or if you don't whisk it, it's going to turn into scrambled eggs. So the reason you do this is because you put this in a double boiler, and because that we are using egg whites, you don't want to get salmonella, right? Then this is going to cook the egg whites slowly by slowly, and the sugar will make it kind of like a syrup. Okay, ini udah. Hampir mau scramble, oh my god. This is a stressful day. Whoa, the stain! Now guys, this is what you want. It's opaque, but it's not scrambled. So now we are going to add the powdered sugar. Whoa, that's a lot of sugar. And I'm kind of going for like a thick icing rather than a runny icing. I might need more powdered sugar. Can you mix this while I get the powdered sugar?
Okay.
I asked my mom to help me with this mixing, and look, this is so smooth. Great job, Mom. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the powdered sugar. Whoa, oh yeah, this goes. So I divide the icing into 4 bowls, and now I'm going to add blood. Just kidding. It's red food coloring. Mix it up. This is kind of a pinkish red, so I'm going to add a generous amount. I am generous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe this one needs a little bit more because he's a little bit lonely, like me. Okay, this one is the yellow, 2 drops, because this food coloring is not that strong. I'm itchy. Blue, my favorite color, blue. Red and blue. Whoa, this is a pretty purple. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Wow, this green is so pretty. Now guys, all the color is in the piping bags now. Finally, after 4 hours, it's actually been 4 hours. Time to decorate. Maybe I should do a little smaller than this, but it's a good start. It's a good start. Now I'm gonna flood it, and it will look very good. Okay, that's pretty. Now the yellow. I never made like a full rainbow cookie like this. I usually just use like red and blue and yellow, but this is actually working better than I thought. I thought I would just give up, but I didn't. Okay, that's good. Oops, okay, who cares? It's the first cookie, okay? So I'm just gonna make it round to make it look pretty. I might put less icing next time. Mom, is my cookies pretty? Yes. She said yes. She is shy. So she whispered to me, red is all done. You have done your business. Guys, I've been here for like 8 hours. Just kidding, I've been decorating cookies. These cookies gotta be tasty or else. But don't pray that I fail. Pray that I succeed. And then my beautiful blue. Beautiful blue. Okay, come on, 4 lagi. Oh, guys, there's there. Oh, this is the end result. It's all messy. I need to clean this up. But look at these cookies. Look at that. They're worth it. They're starting to dry now, and I'm gonna end this video here. Bye!